Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Chispa dating app. To use the Chispa dating app, first download the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. When the app starts, it will ask you to sign in. In my case, there was only one option available, which was signing in with Google. Depending on your region, you may see different sign-in methods. After signing in, the app will ask you to enter your name. Type your name and continue. Next, enter your birth date. After that, choose whether you are a man or a woman. Then the app will ask what you are looking for, such as men or women. Select the option that matches your preference. Once you finish these steps, the app will start creating your account. After that, Chispa will request access to your location. Make sure to allow location permission because the app cannot work properly without it. Next, the app will ask you to select your roots or family origins. You need to choose at least 2 countries or origins from the list. After that, select whether you are looking for dating and social connections or only social connections without real-life meetups. The app will then ask for your current relationship status. Choose the correct option. After that, you can write a short bio about yourself. You can mention your hobbies, interests, or the type of people you want to meet. Now upload a profile photo from your phone library or take a new photo directly in the app. Once this is done, you will land on the home page. Here you can browse different profiles by swiping through them. You can open profiles to see more details. If you find someone you like, you can chat with them or add them to your favorites. Next is the favorites section where you can see who liked your profile. Finally, the chat section shows all your conversations with other users. Thanks for watching.